How to add money to your OneXBet app account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to add money to your account in OneXBet app, you need to go to your account settings. Here in this home screen at the bottom right, you can see the menu option. Tap on it. Next up, at the top right corner, you can see the deposit option. Tap on it. You will be prompted to this account deposits page. From here, you can find different payment methods from where you can load money into your account. It has given you different options. It has some e-wallets, some payment systems, e-currency exchangers, cryptocurrency. So there are a wide variety of choices. You can choose your preferred method. It'll curate all the list according to your reason. So there will be local payment systems integrated too. So you can choose any option which you find easy for you. After that, you have to make the deposit request. You can edit your details first. Enter the amount of money that you want to deposit. You need to enter your wallet number, your wallet name, the transaction ID, and it has given you the code over here. You need to keep a note of this code, and once you're done, you can tap on this confirm button. That's how you can easily add money into your account in OneXBet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.